Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. This one's a little bit different. These knives were sent to me for free by Civivi, actually. They have an anniversary event going on starting, I believe, on the 12th and running through the 19th, where you guys can get big discounts, I think up to 25% off on Civivi knives and stuff at their website. So I'm going to link that right down below. They sent me a bunch of free stuff that I can give away. I actually don't know what's in this package, but it'll be stuff that I will give away during a live event. So that was really cool of Civivi. It's always fun when retailers, manufacturers want to send stuff for me to give away and share with you guys. So let's go ahead and find out what's in this package here. Thanks so much to we/Civivi/SendCut for sending these in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, what do we got? Let's see. I don't know how I'll do the event, but you guys can rest assured it's going to be a live stream. And I'll probably give them all away at the same time. I'm going to guess that these are all models that I've seen before. But, I mean, you know, they're free, and you guys can get a chance to win them. Let's see here. What do we got? First one up feels a little bit heavy. And, oh yeah, this was one of my favorites, for sure. Okay, sweet. Yeah. Or wait, is this the same one? Hold on. Hold on, what is this? The Terax. Yeah, I remember this one. Okay. Black G10, silver bead blasted Nitro V blade. This one is cool. Kind of a sub. Well, it's a frame lock. It's a steel frame lock, but it's underneath a G10 overlay / inlay. Definitely feels like a full-size knife, good flipping action, etc. This is a nice one. This is one of the more premium feeling Civivis. I am almost certain that I have a full review on that knife, so if you want to hear my thoughts on it, there you go. But nice disengagement, nice thumb stud action, both reverse flick and forward flick, and then the flipper tab is also, you know, you usually don't get a good detent release off the flipper tab when there's also thumb studs. It's almost like they tune it a little lighter so that it's a little easier to deploy with thumb studs, but this is easy both ways, right? I mean, it's heavy enough to where it's still satisfying. I think you guys kind of know what I'm talking about there. Next one up, this box definitely feels just a tad lighter. Hold on. We got to break the seal. These are authentic, new, fresh off the grill Civivis here. All right, next up, what do we got? Oh, okay. So this is one, I didn't know that they did these in wood. This is one that I remembered enjoying a little bit less than this guy, but it's still cool, right? What's the steel on this? Probably the same, is it? It's the Satos. I am also very certain that I have a review on this guy. What's the blade steel? I think it's 14C28N. Yep, there it is right there. So there we go, another steel frame lock, kind of a spear point blade with the fuller. Can you use the fuller? Yeah, you actually can use the refuller to... The refuller! You can use the fuller to reverse flick it if you want to. So there you go. The Satos or Cetos. I remember I wanted this kind of shaved off the back, and I was kind of bummed that it was a steel frame lock. Still a nice looking knife, right? I just want that. I wish that those were covered. But yeah, cool knife for sure. I can't help but be honest. Even when it's stuff that I'm being sent for free to help promote their anniversary event, I still can't help but be like, I didn't. This one wasn't my favorite, but it's cool that they sent. I remember this one, and I know for sure that this was one of my favorites. So yeah, this is the Voltaic. Yeah, another one here. We got black and the wood. This was one of my favorite newer Civivis, and again, I do have a full review on this guy as well. The design and again, the fact that it is a frame lock, but it's underneath an inlay, making it a little bit easier to flip and manipulate without worrying about whether or not you're putting excess pressure on that lock bar. This one has a much more accessible sort of fuller or slot, like deployment slot, whatever you want to call that, right? And is very easy to manipulate. Pretty straightforward, traditional styling, but they managed to make it look really good. I did like this one a lot. So 3 full-size, what's the steel? I'm pretty sure it's 14C28N as well. Yep, there you go. 3 full-size models from Civivi, all probably more, if I remember correctly, all on the more expensive end for a Civivi. I will give these all away at the same time, probably the very next live event after you're seeing this, unless I'm running some other type of event. I don't know. I've got a couple of events that I'm doing on this channel, right? But I will make sure and do all 3 of these at the same time, and they will all go to different people. If you guys are familiar with my live streams, many of you who watch regularly are. I usually, if I do a group prize thing, I give them all to one person. But to make it more fun and more interesting, I will give these away to 3 individual people when I do the live event. Watch my community tab for updates on when I'm going to be giving these 3 knives away. That's pretty much it. Like I said, Civivi's doing their anniversary event on their website, running from April 12th to April 19th with up to 25% off, which is pretty cool. No, I don't get paid to say that. They just sent me some free stuff. That's honestly about it. And I've enjoyed working with Civivi and we. They've always been great about sending me things and not telling me what to say. They've always said, you know, here's our new stuff, say whatever you think, which is something that I really appreciate. It makes it easy to work with them and give honest reviews to their stuff. Right, you know, that's kind of the deal when you're a reviewer of something. You really don't want to work with people who are going to try and tell you what to say. And I have always enjoyed that we at Civivi/SendCut have let me do my thing. So I'm more than happy to share this with everybody. Thanks again to we Civivi SendCut for sending in this stuff and sharing it with me and everybody else. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.